Nick Rudder from McKees37.com. We have some exciting new products for summer 2025, starting with our dual action interior scrub pads. These guys are great because they're double-sided. On one side you have these nylon fingers, and it feels really soft when you rub your fingers across it. However, each one of these acts as an abrasive. So when you're scrubbing interior surfaces with your favorite interior cleaner, it really gets in and removes the ground-in dirt, grime, suntan lotion, body oil, dye transfer, pretty much anything. These are awesome. Use the white side for cleaning, and then you can use the blue side for applying a interior dressing or a leather conditioner, or if you need less aggressive scrubbing, you can use the blue side as well. These things are great. Then next up, our little gold coating applicators. These are conveniently sized at 2 by 2 by 4 inches, and it's a microfiber material. And what's unique about it is there's a foam core, which allows for nice cushion and uniform distribution of your coating as you apply it. But best of all, the foam core has laminated with plastic. So when you apply the coating to the applicator pad, it's not going to absorb into the foam core. This allows you to maximize the amount of coating that you put on the surface so it stays on the actual paint instead of being absorbed into your applicator. I like to use the gold side for paint and then the black side for wheels. That way you avoid cross-contamination. But if you're using something like our Graphene Max coating, you apply it on the gold side, and again, it stays in the microfiber. It's not absorbed into the foam because of that plastic lining. So for the interior, I want you to come over here. I have a bottle of our vegan leather cleaner, which is a phenomenal product, 10 out of 10. Almost all new cars have this synthetic, it's vinyl, it's not real leather, on the seats, on the arm door panels here. And unless you pony up big bucks for like a BMW or a Cadillac, it's gonna be a plastic interior. So our vegan leather cleaner smells great, works fast, non-caustic, no aggressive chemicals. Spray it on. Oh, it smells really nice, and it does not leave a residue on the surface like an all-purpose cleaner would. Take the white side, and these are great to hold on to, really easy, and you scrub away. And I love this cleaner because it creates a real nice, thick lather. Now, when you're using these applicator pads, you want to make sure you have plenty of lubrication. Do not use these on a dry surface because these are abrasive. This is far more abrasive than, let's say, a horsehair brush or something along those lines. So make sure you have plenty of lubrication on the material. If you use common sense, there's no issues. Now, I will note that if you have a higher-end vehicle that has real leather, I wouldn't use these. And the reason why is because they can remove the top coat, and a horsehair brush or something along those lines is much better for real high-end leather. Check out the color of the applicator pad just after scrubbing here for a few seconds. And this car wasn't even that dirty. Take my towel, wipe off the excess, and again, no residue. It smells great. Real nice, pleasant fragrance. It's strong but gentle. And look at that, nice and clean. So for more information on these two new applicator pads, the dual action interior scrubber, as well as the little gold coating applicator, visit McKees37.com. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, take care, and God bless.